fun.
You can't Betty Crocker in there. She's got fucking pans, everything going. Everything. Betty Crocker. I said, how do you think those brownies look on my ass, Gia? How they look? I go, how they look, Gia? Pretty fucking good, I hope. Babe, yeah. I ate all the brownies.
No, you put them in my bag, so you couldn't eat them all.
Babe. Yeah, I ate half of them. She's making an upside down pineapple cake.
4 o'clock.
Yep, that will be next on my ass on this side.
I told Mike, I said, Mike, you know, I worked 100 hours this week. 105 hours.
What'd you do that for, Ronnie? What'd you do that for, Ronnie? That's what he probably said.
105. I figured it out last time. What, 105?
After when you got home.
Since Saturday.
That is an X815. Refilling the X815. Chance. Did you really have rats? Mad.
This is Chelsea's mom. She don't swear. No.
Can I squirt you?
Nope.
Just for a fact.
Caitlyn, I'll kill her. If you squirt me, I'll call you brace face.
Just for a fact.
No.
I like your shirt. Where's it from?
Bitch. Where do you think it's from? Want to see where my pants are from too?
Green.
Green. Bet.
Simmons bought.
That's my husband.
That's Ron.
Yeah, nobody likes
Ron.
him. Dave All. He's patriotic this weekend.
He's mean. Schmandy! Lemonade! Lemonade! Come here! This is blue. Chance? Hi, Chance. Shh. That means it's on. Touche. Stop touching me. Bond move. Haha, you can't get me. Oh, that's the safe zone? Yeah.
Tell Ron what Gloria did with the cigarette. Where is it? Where is it?
Bloopa.
What did you just say, Caitlyn?
Blooper. I know, they probably can't. My hair's soaked. So what? He's your cousin. Give it a break. We should have like a filmer that would want to film us. I know. Like iCarly. Hey Juju. Hey Juju. Simon. Hi Simon. Hi Chance. How do you guys feel that you're on the Kaitlyn and Chelsi Show? Huh? Yeah, I'll get that. Got it. Oh, okay. I guess how that's they feel. How they feel. Guess how they want to play. Hey, guys. Chance. Chance, come here. Chance. Kaitlyn, and I don't know where Chelsi went. We're in a tense squirt gun fight at the moment, and I'm not really sure where she went. So we're gonna check around this corner, and she's not there. Not really sure where she's. Oh! She's ready. Okay, it's on. She's cheating. You cannot squirt me when I'm holding the puppy. Yeah. You're getting me wet. You really blew on ammo. Yeah, I know. I just made it too much. Touche. Under. No, you're not going to be able to get down. Really? It's going to hurt. Really? I'm guessing. Stop being a wimp. I'm not being a wimp. She's a wimp. Hi, baby. Did you ever find out? Snake's up there. No, it was a bee, and I scored it. Good job. Freezing. Here I am. I'm looking for Kaitlyn. She's gone. I lost her. Where could she be? I don't know. Kaitlyn. I'm gonna find her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Where is she? Found her! Look at me. Ow.
It's cold up here when there's no sun. I know, but it goes cold and it goes hot. Did Ryan have no luck with it, Matt? Nope, I didn't do nothing. I didn't touch nothing.
Hold on. Stop it. No. Stop. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, draw. Go. Now, for full effect. Ready? No. 1, 2, 3. Did it get you? I didn't get her. Oh! Bye. That was our water gun fight episode. Get what? No, we don't have time. Bye.